raining Orbeez! Hallelujah! I just came back from the salon. Unfortunately, my friend didn't know about that. Hello! Now there's a red stain on my hair. And here comes my boyfriend. Do you like my new hair color? This is thermal hair dye. Who hugged you? What are you talking about? Why is there hair on your t-shirt? This is obviously not mine. Are you cheating on me? We need to talk. My friend is so cheerful. Her bun can't stand her energy and it keeps falling apart. But I have an idea. I'll make a bun from the bottom of my heart. I already have a suitable mold. Wrap rubber bands around a hair donut. Shape it like a heart. Hey, is this a voodoo doll for a gremlin or what? This is going to be your new bun. Sit still and don't argue with me. Brush the hair. Put half of the hair into a ponytail. Put on the special hair donut. Fasten it with hairpins and wrap the ponytail around it. Pin the hair. Cover the whole donut. Color the heart with hair dye spray. Now we just have to take a photo of the finished style. So, do you like this hairy heart? I love it! Thanks, Cindy! We are having a nice chat, but the guy went after that girl instead. And all because of her unusual hair. How dare he! We can upgrade our hairstyles too. I found my inspiration. Bright shoelaces.
Hey!
Put a hat on a mannequin head. Sew colorful shoelaces to it. To make it look like there's a part, hot glue another layer of shoelaces underneath. Shoelaces make the best wig! I'm looking for inspiration at home. Ooh, quilling paper! It will finally come in handy. Put a foil hat onto a mannequin head. Attach double-sided tape to it and fasten rows of quilling paper. Shape hair strands out of paper. Make a part. Cover the whole hat with paper. Trim bangs at the front. We look fantastic! Hello! Girls, are you okay? He's leaving! I told you this was a stupid idea! He is just not ready for bold girls like us. Ooh, a party? Of course I'll be there! Well, let's get ready. Where's my brightest makeup? Here it is, my special party palettes. After a few minutes, I'm a star. Except my star is shining from all the grease in my hair. I don't have time to wash it. What do? Nothing is helping. I have an idea. We'll need gold foil. Apply hairstyling foam to your hair and put pieces of foil on top. Cover most of your head with foil. Now no one will notice that your hair is dirty. I'll shine like gold. This is a great look for a party. Are you sick of having the same hairstyle every day? Do you want to change it up? Maybe you should finally pull the plug and get bangs? Stop! I know how to help you without losing any hair. Put your hair into a high ponytail and do a bun. Place the end of the bun onto your forehead so you get bangs. Now you can get bangs without scissors and drama, and you won't have to grow them back out later. There's a new client at the nail salon. I need the brightest and the most unusual nail design. And while you were doing my nails, I'll chat with my boyfriend. We got off to a good start, but it turned out that the client likes to use a lot of body language and fix her hair. She's not bothered by her wet nail polish, and now her new manicure is covered in hair. The nail tech suggests a new nail design so she doesn't have to redo it all over again. Coat press on nails with glue and attach a strand of a colorful hair extension. Trim the ends. Make hairy nails of different colors. Done! What's that? My nails look like troll dolls. How am I supposed to live with these tufts on my hands? Don't worry, I'll style them right now. Hair nails are the hottest high fashion trend. It's raining Orbeez! Hallelujah! And it colored my hair. Draw little circles on a plastic folder. Carefully cut them out. Place the stencil onto your hair and color it with hair dye spray. Polka dot hair? Why not? It looks like I have confetti all over my head. I want a stress-relieving hair tie too. Here's my lifetime supply of paper. Let's go! Fold origami paper like this. Make a few details shaped like an M. Glue them to each other to make zigzags. Glue the edges together in a ring. It looks pretty easy. You just need to fold and glue and wrap. 2 hours later, a brilliant idea pops into my head. Why torture myself when I can order online? Whoa! It's exactly like the one on the screen. A hypnotic hair tie. Now my stress relief will always be right on my head, close to my brain. Oh no! Here it comes! I'm getting old! This is my first gray hair! I won't let you ruin my youth, you evil gray hair! I'll rub my hair with crepe paper. Oh yeah? You can't hide from me! Rub it harder! Ooh, the roots are blue. I'm like a combo of Billie Eilish and Avatar. I have a very delicious hot dog, and the wind is very strong. My hair won't let me eat it. Maybe it wants me to go on a diet? I'll find a quick life hack on YouTube to get the hair away from my face without a hair tie. A sweater on my head? Hang on, you don't need to get undressed. It's not summer yet. Trust the queen of life hacks. Make a cut on the back of your trench coat and hide your hair in it. There you go. The prank, the hack is done. My hair really stopped getting into my face. I can finally have my hot dog. Are you 100% sure you were the queen of life hacks? Does your hair get so much static electricity after you brush it that it could charge your phone? Tame this energy using foil. Wrap foil around your brush handle and enjoy nice and smooth hair. In order to take a perfect selfie and conquer the Insta world, I have to do the trendiest hairstyle, but that's not what I need. Here comes my friend. Leave loose strands near your face. Make a little French braid on one side of the part. Fasten it with a hair tie. Attach another hair tie close to the end of the hair strand. Divide it in half and wrap it back. Fan out the hair to get a big bun. Repeat for the other side. A temporary tattoo will complement the hairstyle. Place the tattoo onto the part. Dampen the paper with a wet cotton pad. Wait for the tattoo to work. Look! What a magical result! You will definitely be the star of Instagram! Did you like our hair life hacks and pranks? Then comment below which one you'd use. Would you put your hair into a heart bun, attach gold to your hair, or put on a wig made from shoelaces? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious life hacks and pranks from Troom.